Whether you're looking for fresh vegetables, ripe fruit, home-baked goods, or fresh-cut flowers, you can find it all and more at one of Fairfax County's 12 farmers markets. The season kicked off on May 1st and is in full gear until November 24th. The farmers markets are supervised by the Fairfax County Park Authority through the Community Horticulture Office based at Green Spring Gardens. All products sold at the farmers markets are produced by vendors within 125 miles of Fairfax County, guaranteeing that purchases are local and support sustainable agriculture in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. The 12 farmers markets are located across the county and are open throughout the week. For more information on the farmers markets in Fairfax County and directions to them, call 703-642-0128 or visit the Park Authority's website.